We've got an iPhone X with a broken screen and a broken back. Yay. Open it up. It's crazy dusty and there's bits and pieces in here. Very strange. I'll give it a little clean up. My best guess is it's had a laser back repair, but they haven't taken the screen off. It's all the dust collected. Never mind. I'll make sure it's nice and clean. So we pop off the tabs. Remove the screen. Flip it over. Give it a cook. We get the back glass off. Go carefully around the wireless charging so we don't damage it. Then we'll go back to the screen, remove the Face ID. Program the new screen. Refit the Face ID. Pop the screen back on. Now back to the back. I'm going to clean it up with some alcohol. Pop our glue on. Then we'll get our new back glass on nice and straight. Give it a little clean. And there you go, fully fixed. Looking beautiful again. Just check the front screen's working. Excuse me while I pop my code in. There you go, all good. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.